Dandruff. It's a word that can send shivers down anyone's spine. It's that unwelcome guest that shows up on your shoulders at the worst possible times, making you feel self-conscious and uneasy. Those pesky white flakes can be both embarrassing and frustrating, often leading to a lack of confidence. But fear not. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is here to help you regain your confidence. Nizoral is a powerful shampoo that tackles dandruff at its source, ensuring you get the relief you need. It's specially formulated with Ketoconazole, an ingredient that effectively combats the root cause of those annoying flakes, providing long-lasting results. Say goodbye to dandruff and hello to a healthy, flake-free scalp, and enjoy the confidence that comes with it. Dandruff can be caused by a variety of factors, including dry skin, sensitivity to hair products, and even stress, which can exacerbate the condition. However, the most common culprit is a fungus called Malassezia globosa, which thrives on the oils of the scalp. This fungus lives on the scalp of most people and usually doesn't cause any problems, but it can become problematic. However, sometimes it can grow out of control, leading to irritation, inflammation, and discomfort. And those telltale flakes we know as dandruff can become a persistent issue if not treated properly. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo takes a targeted approach to combat dandruff, providing a comprehensive solution for those struggling with persistent flakes and itching. Its key ingredient, Ketoconazole, works by inhibiting the growth of Malassezia globosa, a common fungus that contributes to dandruff. This powerful antifungal action helps to reduce inflammation, relieve itching, and eliminate those pesky flakes, leaving your scalp feeling refreshed and clean. Unlike some other anti-dandruff shampoos that only address the symptoms, Nizoral tackles the root cause of the problem, ensuring long-lasting relief. Nizoral is clinically proven to be effective in treating dandruff, making it a trusted choice for many. Studies have shown that it can significantly reduce scaling, itching, and redness associated with dandruff, providing noticeable improvement. In fact, many people experience visible results after just a few uses, seeing a dramatic reduction in dandruff. With regular use, Nizoral can help you achieve a healthy scalp and flake-free hair, boosting your confidence. It's important to follow the instructions on the bottle for best results, ensuring you get the maximum benefit from each wash. Ketoconazole, the star ingredient in Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, is a powerful antifungal agent. It belongs to a class of drugs called imidazoles, which work by interfering with the synthesis of ergosterol. Ergosterol is a crucial component of fungal cell membranes. By disrupting ergosterol production, ketoconazole weakens the fungal cell walls, leading to their destruction. Ketoconazole is effective against a wide range of fungi, including Malassezia globosa. It works by directly targeting the fungus that causes dandruff, preventing it from multiplying and causing further irritation. This targeted action makes ketoconazole a highly effective treatment option for dandruff and other fungal skin conditions. Section 4. Your hair, your Nizoral benefits for everyone. Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is suitable for all hair types. Whether your hair is dry, oily, color-treated, or chemically processed, Nizoral can help you achieve a healthy, flake-free scalp. Its gentle formula cleanses the hair and scalp without stripping away essential moisture. This makes it a great option for people with sensitive skin or scalp conditions like seborrheic dermatitis. Nizoral is also safe for use by both men and women. Its effectiveness and ease of use have made it a popular choice for people of all ages and hair types. If you're looking for a reliable and effective solution to dandruff, Nizoral is a great option to consider. Section 5. Nizoral in action. Tips for a flake-free life. Discover how to effectively use Nizoral to combat dandruff and maintain a healthy scalp. Using Nizoral Anti-Dandruff Shampoo is easy and straightforward. Simply wet your hair thoroughly and apply a generous amount of shampoo to your scalp. Make sure your hair is completely soaked before applying the shampoo. Massage gently for a few minutes to work up a rich lather, making sure to reach all areas of the scalp. Rinse thoroughly with water to remove all traces of shampoo. For best results, use Nizoral twice a week for 2 to 4 weeks. This will help to effectively control dandruff and soothe your scalp. After that initial period, you can reduce the frequency to once a week or as needed to maintain a flake-free scalp and healthy hair. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to treating dandruff. Regular use ensures the best results. Regular use of Nizoral can help to keep the fungus that causes dandruff in check, preventing future outbreaks and keeping your scalp healthy. With Nizoral, you can say goodbye to dandruff and hello to a healthy, confident you. Enjoy the freedom of a flake-free life and the confidence that comes with it.